Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gadget Premi. This is Samir and today I'm going to review a product from Agaro which is an electric toothbrush. So as you can see from this box, this is an Agaro branded toothbrush. The model is Cosmic Lite and it is having these features like dynamic cleaning by sonic technology, and it is IPX7 waterproof. It is rechargeable with USB power cord, and it has 6 cleaning modes which includes high intensity, medium intensity and low intensity modes. And it is written as gum care and deep care. It comes with a 1-year warranty. So as you can see, this new sonic technology can provide up to 38,500 strokes per minute, which is the speed of the bristles which clean your teeth. So there are some other features like it has waved bristles, which is made up of DuPont nylon, and it has a smart timer which turns off automatically after 2 minutes of brushing. It is easy to recharge by a USB charging cable, and it has a replaceable brush head. You get additional 2 brush heads in this package. We will see in the further video. So here you see the box contents, and you should get all this within the box. If you find anything missing, you can ask for a refund or a replace. It's very important that you check the seals before you unbox the product, because it should not be tampered by anyone else. So let's unbox this and see the contents. So this is what you get inside the box. This is the electric toothbrush which is based on sonic technology. It is different from regular electric brushes. It has this sealed USB socket for charging. It is very well protected to avoid any water leakage inside this toothbrush, and it has a very good plastic material. You can see the 3 modes indicators on this toothbrush. So you get this attachment to clean the gap between the tooth, and you get 3 different bristles which are made up of DuPont nylon. And this is the USB charger cable which you get. You will have to use your mobile phone charger to connect and charge this toothbrush. The plastic quality of the toothbrush is quite decent, and the button quality is very nice. It is completely protected from water, so you don't have to worry while brushing. It is IPX7 protected. So let me switch it on. See, this is the vibration, and when you attach the bristles, they will vibrate at a speed of 38,500 strokes per minute. These are the 3 vibrating modes, and you can adjust the intensity by just clicking this button. So it's from high intensity, medium intensity and low intensity. So let me show you the bristles. So the bristle is made up of nylon DuPont material, which is quite nice, and you can see the shape of this brush. When you switch it on, it will move into this direction. So let me show you by connecting it to the toothbrush. So when you switch it on, the bristles will start vibrating, and these are the vibrations, which is approximately 38,500 strokes per minute. So it ensures that your teeth are very clean. Based on my personal experience, the first time when you use this toothbrush, it's not going to be comfortable, but you'll get used to it. Now this is attachment which is used to clean the space between the teeth, and as you can see, this has a very soft pointy material made up of DuPont nylon. Let me show it to you. So this is the attachment where you can clean your teeth. So you just have to remove this attachment and you can attach this new bristle. So this will help you to clean the gaps between the teeth. Now let me show you how to connect the USB cable and charge this toothbrush. So they have already given this cable, and you just have to open this lid. It is a waterproof lid, so just try to open it and you will see the USB socket. So just plug it in and connect it to your mobile charger. Make sure that the charger is minimum 5 volt and 1 ampere, and I think that should be enough for charging this particular toothbrush. The manual which comes along with this product is quite useful, and I would suggest take some time out and read this manual because it will help you to understand how to clean the teeth with this toothbrush, so you can effectively use this toothbrush and get used to it. So this is all about this Agaro electric toothbrush, and if you like this video, please make sure to share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.